Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Danny, your friendly tech amigo, and we got an unboxing to do. This right here is the Huawei MateViewGT 34-inch curve monitor. It is a gaming monitor, but we're gonna be using it for quite some different things. Let's go ahead and open it up, shall we? So I've been doing unboxings for quite some time and I haven't even gotten proper cutting knives, so I'm just gonna use this thing. Ow. Well, that fell out. It's a stand. Wasn't too bad. Put it right here. And what we got in this box? Ooh. Okay, so we have manual. This is a massive charging brick. Look at that. It's a massive charging brick. It's USB-C though. It's powered USB-C. Got an Allen wrench. Oh, we got DP to DP. Bye-bye. Whoa. Wow. Whoa. Man, this thing's heavy. And we got this. Looks like Thor's hammer. So this is the instructions, and that's all it says. That's all it says. This thing. Just gonna... So that is set right here. Oh, that was easy. That was really easy. Wow, this is heavy, man. Oh, I hit the camera. Now that you guys have it, the Huawei MateViewGT 34-inch curve monitor. It is whopping at a 3440 by 1440 resolution, 21 by 9 aspect ratio, and it could push out to 165 hertz of refresh rate. I think I got a pretty good deal, and it was on sale on Amazon, so I had to get it. It is not a 4K, it is a 3K monitor, and it is an LCD monitor. You know, we gotta compromise with a couple things, but I will do a full review once I get my cord that I'm supposed to hook up my MacBook with. So I'm not even gonna turn it on right now. But that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I am Danny, your friendly tech amigo. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.